Hey everybody, Thomas Vanderkin, Global Account Manager from Lenovo, back again. I got another unboxing video today. This time it's the ThinkCentre M90n Nano. So, brand new product, isn't even released yet. This unboxing is actually a box of an empty shell, but we're just going to give you a hint of this thing that's coming. So, the real surprise and what's going to be exciting about this is the sheer how small it's going to be. The weight is right around 1.1 pounds, full desktop support in this incredibly small device. So just for comparison's sake, I've included today our standard small form factor desktop, our current tiny desktop, and now we're going to go ahead and look at the Nano. So coming soon. So let's go ahead and just unbox this. So because I'm in sales, they went ahead and sent this kind of demo solution to all of us to bring to our customers. So let's open this up. This isn't, again, the full version, but it's just going to be a shell to give us a sense to bring to our customers the size of this thing. So the unboxing is a little weird because obviously it's not a real device. So there's no AC adapter included in here. But we'll go ahead and take it out. This is my first time opening up this box. So this is it. First time I've actually seen one or held one in person, the M90n Nano. So full desktop. So let's open this thing up. This is it. So incredibly small desktop device. So it looks similar to our docking station industrial design. It's going to have ports here on the front. USB-C, a couple USB-A's, and a headphone jack. Power is going to be right here. I don't know if you can see right through it, but obviously there's nothing on the inside for us to look at. Then in the back, there's going to be power, display port, another USB-A, a USB-C, another USB-A, and then Ethernet, and then the Kensington lock. So one thing they want to really talk about with this product is that it does have full support desktop device. So, and the size of it is incredible. So look at this next to our tiny, which was kind of industry settings device then. So this is going to be super small, fit on any desktop. It is compatible for those of you using our tiny-in-one monitors. There is an adapter case that you can use to still put this in the back of our tiny monitors. But this is it, coming soon. Up to a 512 gig SSD, up to 16 gig memory, full desktop support in this little tiny device, and supports USB-C docking if that's required also. So that's it. Just give everybody a heads up when I get the real one. I'll open it up and I'll test it and give everybody a look. Thanks for joining. We'll catch everybody next time. See you guys.